Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Can you hear me? Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait a second. Just wait a second. Good morning, children. Please connect your mic and camera. Okay. And give me just few seconds to connect my camera as well. Mics off. Mics off. Okay. Keep your mics closed. All right. Let's begin our session. Let's quickly begin our session. Can you see my camera?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. Yes. I think so. Now you are able to see me, right? You can see my camera on. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Good morning, all of you.
Where is Prachi, ma'am? Good
Very
morning,
good
ma'am.
morning. Okay, join. Mics off. All mics off. Good morning, everyone. Keep your mics off. All mics off. Join your hands and close your eyes quickly. Join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes. All the cameras on. Aparajita, please open your camera. Aparajita, please open your camera. Connect to the session quickly. Oh, close your eyes. Oh. Oh. Rub your palms. Rub your palms. Put it over your face. Cross your fingers like this. Cross it like this. All of you. Yes. Stretch it. Stretch your arms. Stretch your arms forward. Stretch your arms forward. Forward. Stretch your arms forward in front of you. In front of your face. And put it across your head. Over your head. Stretch your hands. Yes. Stretch it up. Slowly. Samarth. Slowly. This is yoga position. Okay. Slowly you have to do it. Stretch it completely. Then release your hands. Down. 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 Okay. You have to now take 3 deep breaths. Aparajita Gaur, if you are not opening your camera in a minute, then I will be putting you in the waiting room. If there is a network issue, please put a message to your class teacher and Ashwini ma'am. Please put a message if you are facing any network issue to the class teacher, Prachi ma'am and Ashwini ma'am. Okay? All right. Yes, Aparajita Gaur is not ready with her session, I think. So she's not settled yet. Okay, now we have to take 3 deep breaths. For that, you have to keep your backbone straight. Keep your backbone straight. Sit straight. Sit straight. Take deep breath. Release. Take deep breath. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold. Release. Take deep breath. Hold it, few seconds. Release. Okay? Now feeling better? Feeling energetic? Yes? Yes, Dhruv is feeling energetic. Very good. Okay, good. Very good. Aparajita Gaur has not settled yet. I cannot see her on the screen, in front of the screen. That means she is not ready with her class. I will be taking a screenshot quickly so that I can see who all are there. Okay, Shivai, Ayansh, open your camera. Yes, wonderful. अपराजिता, कितना सुंदर नाम है, एक बार शक्ल तो दिखाओ, कहाँ हो आप? अरे तुलिका मैम आई है तो क्या हुआ? तुलिका मैम भी तो क्लास 1 की ही मैम है कि नहीं? She takes your workshop. She takes interesting classes, right? So we will be having good activity and exercise today. We will be doing our classwork as well as we will be doing our activities to see. In the first session only, I started with activity. I did some activities like breathing exercise, stretching out exercise, right? You liked it? Did you all like it? Vihan is not sitting on his chair. Vihan, don't leave your place, beta. Don't leave your place.
Ma'am,
Speak in English, speak in English, try in English. Yes, good.
Ma'am, I keep it in copy in classwork.
Okay, okay. Please get your books and copies. Shivai Jaiswal, are you there in the session? Please get your, yes, put your cameras on. Okay, now you have to keep your EVS books and copies in front of your desk. Keep your EVS books and copies. Now Ashwini ma'am is going to give a call to Aparajita Gaur's parents because Aparajita Gaur is not supposed to be sitting in front of the camera. I believe now ma'am will give you a call. Aparajita Gaur is not sitting in front of her desk. She is not visible though her camera is on. I'm not getting it. What is the issue? Aparajita Gaur, are you there? Wait a second, children. Vedant, just a second. Vedant, just a second.
Tulika ma'am, you may continue. She'll
Yes, ma'am, I will
join.
be.
She messaged me.
Okay,
Continue.
great. Wonderful. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Yes, Pahal, where are you? Everybody
Ma'am.
out with the...
Ma'am, today starts is my school.
Yes, Dhruv. Very good. Very good, Dhruv. There is Nirvi.
Ma'am, I did to say.
Very good. Yes, you all have to open chapter My School. You have to open the chapter My School and we will be doing, sorry,
Ma'am,
Sorry, a happy world. Take out your book, A Happy World, EVS book. Happy World, My School, lesson number 7. Okay.
Page number.
Who's going to tell me? Yes, Tejas is going to tell me the page number of lesson number 7. Lesson number 7, My School. Tejas.
Ma'am, 29.
Who is Tejas? How many Tejas do I have in this class? How many Tejas do I have? Rest of you, please close your mic. Only Tejas is going to open his mic. Rest of you, close your mics. All of you, Arush Gupta, close your mic. Tejas, open your mic. Yes, Tejas. Quickly open your mic, beta. Tejas, yes. Tell me.
Naman. Naman.
Naman. See, if you don't write your proper name, how will I call you correctly? Tell me. How will I come to know? That is the reason your username, your class ID should be properly named in your online session. Okay? Whose mic is on? Aparajita Gaur's mic is on. Aparajita beta, mic off kar do, Shona. Switch off your mic. Very good. And keep your camera little lower down. Little low. Very good. Okay. So now you understood, Naman. Why was I saying Tejas, Tejas? Okay. Right. So everybody knows page number 29. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Page number 29 of your EVS book. Lesson number 7. Now all the mics off. In my class, no one opens the mic until and unless I take out the name. Until and unless I will I will call out your name, nobody will open the mic. Okay, show me a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up. Excellent. Wonderful class. Wow. What a smart class Prachi ma'am has. Wonderful. I'm so happy. Okay. I hope you will enjoy and learn good today. All right. And you will also follow the online guidelines. Will you? Will you follow the online guidelines with me? Very good. Excellent. So first thing, you have to take out your EVS notebooks as well. Notebooks means your copy. Nirvi Maheshwari again ran off. Nirvi Maheshwari is not prepared with her books or copies. Prashi Lakhnani is also gayab. But I am really liking Prashi's wall. She has done beautiful work on her wall, hai na? Do you all want to see Prashi's wall? Okay. See. Prashi, show us your wall. Wow, how nicely Prashi has decorated.
See my wall.
Okay, wait. I will see each one of you. Okay, very nice. Prashi, you can sit with her. Prashi, you can sit. No throw. Prashi is decorated with her own talent. Dhruv, your wall is a wallpaper. It's a sticker. But Prashi has done it with her talent, with her and her siblings' talent. Okay? Now, who has kept her mic on? Their mic on? Whose mics on? I said no mics will be on. Okay. So, all the EVS notebooks on your table. EVS notebooks on your table. Ayansh, your mic is on. Ayansh, अभी तो क्लास शुरू ही हुआ है. भागो जाओ जल्दी. Mic off. Oh, okay, wait. See, I will teach you a new word today. That is a bio break. The word is bio break. Will you all remember this word, bio break? It's a new word. It's a vocabulary for you all. Samarth, you're very smart. Stop giving your reactions. Thank you so much for your reactions. Okay. So bio break means to go for a washroom, to have water, to take a small snacky packy. Okay. All right. So when I say you can take a 10 minutes bio break after your class ends, then you will rush quickly to have water, to go to your washroom, to feel fresh, okay, to have something, to drink water. That will be your bio break. But before that, you will not interfere in the class. Means you will not disturb the class. Okay, my dear children, show me a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up. Understood what is bio break? Bio means we are living beings. We are living beings, right? Are we living beings? Are we living? What do you mean by living? How do you understand we are living? Who will tell me? Ved will tell me. How can we say we are living beings? Ved? Ved, please tell me. I want to listen to you. Quickly tell me, because we are going to study. We are studying EVS only, right? And living beings is a part of EVS chapter, correct? Open your mic. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So what is living beings? Are we living beings? Do you think we are living beings? Yes or no? इधर उधर नहीं देखना है.
Yes.
ये कैमरा है और ये मैम की तरफ देखना है. Yes. अच्छा, how can you say that we are living beings? What makes you think we are living beings? Think. Tell me. What makes you think that we are living beings? Help me think. Did you just do pranayam 3 times breathing? Did you do right now?
No.
Breathing? Did you do 3 times breathing right now with me? Breathing? You did? Yes or no?
Ma'am,
How many days do I have in the class?
ma'am, I am living home. Yes.
How many minutes we have?
Ma'am, I am living home.
No, Arush, you're not supposed to speak right now when Ved and I am speaking. Living beings means one who is
Yes.
living. Yes. So pranayam or breathing is done by whom? When we breathe, that means we are living. When we eat, that means we are living. For living, what do we have to do? We have to eat, we have to drink. That is how we grow. A living beings grow, right? Remember the chapter? Now you remember the chapter, living beings and non-living beings. Computer also, is computer a living being or non-living being? Are Ved Raghuvanchi's mother is guiding. Don't guide, please. No, Ved's mother is guiding. Ved's mother is studying class 1. Oh my God. She's back in class 1. Huh? Ved's mother, please don't guide your son. Your son is very smart enough. Naman, why is your camera off? Samat, stop reacting. Stop giving your reactions. Don't touch the device. Okay. So bio break means that only. Because we are living, we need water to drink, we need food to eat. Okay? Okay, understood, Ved? Understood?
Yes.
बस मम्मी जो बोल रही है उसको हम बोलते जाएंगे, समझ में आया चलना है. मैम जो कह रही वो नहीं समझना है. मम्मी को बोलो मम्मी मुझे सब समझ में आ रहा है मैम जो कह रही है. Let me answer her. Okay? All right. Very good. So, all of you will now, Naman will settle down with his camera. Vihan, okay. Everybody is ready. Well, I can see there is very less attendance today in the class. Only 16 students. That's not the strength. That should not be the strength. The strength should be good enough today, but okay, never mind. All right. Whose mic is on? I could hear. Yes, fine. No mics are on. All right. So we'll start with the first one. That is, I will share you the screen. But before I share you the screen, you will open your EVS notebooks. What? Your EVS notebooks. Okay. And we will start writing in our notebooks without wasting any more time so that I can start explaining you as well. I will explain you as well. So my board is visible to all. My board is visible to all, right? Show me a thumbs up, yes. Good. So now you have to start writing as I write. Start writing as I write. Follow my board and write. In the margin over here, you know you have to put a margin. There is a margin in your notebook, right? What is called a margin? This is the margin in your notebook. There you write your numbers, question number, answer number, right? That is called a margin of your notebook. Whose mic is on again? Whose mic is on again? Please don't keep your mics on because that is quite disturbing for other students. You don't understand your mic is on, but it creates distractions. All right. So now in this margin, you will write, put this sign. This is 2. Okay. This is Roman number 2. So you will put this number On your notebook in the margin, don't look here and there. Amitabh's camera is off. He has recently joined, I believe. He has just
Ma'am?
joined. Who's speaking?
Ma'am,
Dhruv is speaking. Yes, Dhruv, speak.
ma'am,
Speak.
Ma'am.
Speak.
a book and EVS notebook निकाल लिया ना?
I speak only in English. I speak only in English in the English class. I speak in Hindi in the Hindi class. I'm very particular about this. Advanced Academy students of Nepania school, they speak in English with their teachers. Okay? So I have already said you have to pay attention. I have already said take out your EVS notebooks. Notebook is copy only. So you have to take out your EVS notebooks, your EVS notebooks, your EVS copies. Okay, Dhruv. Amitabh, open your camera, beta. How will I understand that you are there in the class? And start writing. Put today's date. Today's date. We started another new month. Right? We have started a new month. Have we? What is the name of this month? See, I have written a new date. First.
Ma'am, September.
Yes.
Ma'am, September day.
September day, nahi, September month. Month of September. This is called the month of September. Today is the first day of the month of September. Okay, very good. Vihan, very good. Mic off. Okay, so write the date. Okay, and we are writing EVS work. Now, first one, we are going to do some sentence, fill in the blank sentences. So how will we write the question? We will write complete. I also dictate. My dictation will help you build your listening skills. Complete the following. Complete the following. Okay. This is the question. Quickly write down the questions. Quickly write down
मैम
the
आपका
questions.
बहुत ठीक से नहीं दिख रहा.
बिल्कुल दिख रहा है. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. Now the first sentence which we are going to write is the first sentence we are going to write and you have to answer. The first one we will write over here. Number 1. I guard G-A-U-R-D, guard the school. Who guards the school? In your Advanced Academy, who guards the school? Tell me, who guards the school? Do you know?
Advanced Academy.
Advanced Academy. Advanced Academy guides the school. Advanced Academy is the name of the school.
Teacher.
Teacher guards the school. If teacher is going to guard the school, how will teacher teach? How will teacher teach?
God uncle.
God uncle. Okay. Right. God uncle or God uncle or we call it what? Say it again. This the answer over here is write the answer. The watchman. The watchman is watching you all. Everyone who enters the gate of the school. Watchman. Okay. Okay. Now next is you can throw.
मैम सिर्फ आंसर ही लिखना है.
Write the next sentence. Write the next sentence. Yes, children. I will write the next sentence. You can throw waste in me. You can throw waste. Where can you throw waste? Can you tell me?
Dustbin.
Ah,
Dustbin.
very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. You can throw waste papers. Paper. Keep writing. Keep writing. Very good. Paper and pencil. Pencil shaving. What is pencil shaving? When you sharpen your pencil. Okay. The dust after you sharpen your pencil, the dust which comes out, that is called pencil shaving. So that also you go and throw where? You throw it in the dustbin. Okay. So write it down. Shaving in it. The answer is, you all smartly answered it. The answer is dust bin. So have you all done these two sentences? Have you all done these two sentences? If yes, then show me a thumbs up.
No. Ma'am.
You have to just show me a thumbs up and remember.
Ma'am, मैं अभी वो लिख रहा हूँ first वाला answer. Ma'am, first number sentence. Arush Gupta is done.
Arush Gupta and other children, please pay attention. I just said to show me a thumbs up if you have done, thumbs down if you have not done. That's it. Okay, I will wait for 2 minutes so that you can finish these two sentences and then I will write the next sentence. While I'm writing the next sentence, meanwhile, you can see the third sentence. No problem. Okay? Because those who have already completed the first two, sorry, I take care. I take care of the plants in your, nobody will open the mic, please be careful. No one opens the mic. In your school. So who takes care of the plants? There are so many beautiful plants and flowers and grasses in your school, right? Your school is decorated with all these green plants and flowers, है ना? Quickly, right? We are having only 9 minutes left. Only 9 minutes left. The answer is Vihan. Yes, Vihan. You're raising your hand. Very good. I appreciate when you raise your hand. Very good. Only Vihan will raise hand. Dhruv, mic off. Vihan has raised hand, so he will answer me. Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am,
Speak.
Ma'am, I don't know answer.
Acha. Then, what do you have to say?
I will speak
Speak quickly.
down. Ma'am, your boat down.
Ah, good. You're trying to speak. Very good, Vihan. Ma'am, please put the camera down so that we can see the last sentence. Ma'am, please show us the last sentence. Can you see it now? Show me a thumbs up. Very good. Remove your hand. The answer is, whose answer? Vihan, hands down. Okay. Anybody wants to answer? Okay, then I am answering. Gardener. Okay. Gardener. The answer is gardener. So you have these 3 sentences written in front of you. Quickly copy them in your notebooks. Quickly copy them in your notebooks so that I can move on to the last sentence. Last sentence. Okay.
ऑफ द के बाद क्या है? मेरे पास 3 नंबर
Which
के लिए
number?
थोड़ी सी जगह है, तो मैं 3 नंबर आधा नेक्स्ट पेज पे लिख सकता हूँ.
Arush, what you said, say that again.
Okay. Ma'am, 3rd number sentence is no my notebooks space.
Move to the next page, baby. Move to the next page. Move to the, yes, absolutely. If you don't have the space, you have to move to the next page. Okay, turn your page, move to the next page.
Ma'am,
Mic's off. Yes, Dhruv.
ma'am, what is G O?
The last word.
Last word is
Gardener. Yes.
RDEN.
DENER. Gardener. Very good, Dhruv. You are using phonics, that means. You are practicing phonics. Very good. I appreciate that. Very good. Amitabh Bambe, why is your camera keeping off? Nobody will say I have done. Nobody will say Arush, quiet. Arush, quiet. Please, don't open your mic again and again. If you have finished your notebook, please take a new notebook. How can your EVS notebook finish so soon? That means you are working in a rough notebook. That means you are writing in a rough notebook. Please take care of that. Abitab, भैया कैमरा ऑन करना है,
मैम,
माइक
नहीं,
नहीं, दोनों ही ऑन हो
बोलो।
गए तो।
मैम नीचे का नहीं दिख रहा, थर्ड पॉइंट।
मैम थर्ड पॉइंट के नीचे वाला नहीं दिख रहा।
Aprachita, speak it. Ma'am, please show the last point. Speak. Ma'am.
मैम थर्ड वाला नहीं दिख रहा है।
Ma'am, please let the child speak. Ma'am, please, no parents will speak. Only the parent, only the children will speak.
मैम
क्या बोलो?
मैम उसका नीचे वाला
Aprachita, listen to me and repeat after me. Ma'am, please show me the last sentence. Say, ma'am. Aprachita, open your mic and speak.
मैम
Please show me the last sentence.
please show me last sentence.
Very good. Very good. Your parents will not speak. Why? Because they are not in class 1. You are in class 1. You are studying with me. So you will speak it nicely. Very good. Try to speak. Very good. Now mic off and keep writing. Amita, camera on, mic off. Please be
Yes.
careful with your device. Camera on, mic off. You've just done the opposite. Put your camera on, Amitabh, yes, and put your mic off. Samarth, mic off, beta. So everybody has written this. I will continue this in the second period as well because we have to do the next questions. Who said that again? Who said that again? If you have done, please wait for your friends. I'm writing the first sentence now. Oh, yes. Someone has said it very politely. I will listen. Yes, Arush is speaking. Yes, Arush. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arush.
Iris Gupta is done.
Very good. So you will show your thumbs up. You will not speak. You will show your thumbs up.
Ma'am, I'm in the second.
Nobody will speak, please. No speaking. We will waste our time. Now I'm writing the last sentence. The last sentence is the fourth number sentence. Right? The fourth number sentence. Quickly write. We have very less time left. 2 minutes left. I teach you.
Ma'am.
Mic's off, otherwise I will write now mic off. All.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me quickly, Amitabh. Amitabh, speak.
Ma'am. Ma'am. कौन सी book है?
Amitabh, we cannot hear you. I cannot hear you, beta.
Yes.
I cannot hear you, Amitabh. Your voice is cracking. Please check your network.
You're right.
I cannot hear you.
Ma'am.
अगर आप लोग बोलते रहेंगे तो आप लोग कभी लिख नहीं पाएंगे. Okay? So this is the last sentence and the answer. Who teaches you to write? Who am I?
Teacher, ma'am.
Teacher, ma'am. Teacher, yes. Teacher, yes. Write down, and this is the last sentence of your first task. Okay? This is the last sentence of your first task. Now the camera is going to get over. Okay, the camera is going to get over. The class is ending. Go take your bio break. You will rush to take your bio break. You will drink water. You will eat. You will go to the washroom. Okay? Nobody will disturb in the class. The class is going to end. Class end hone wala hai. Join in the next class. Same link. Join the same link. Quiet, Dhruv. When I'm speaking, nobody speaks. Join the same link. Join the same link. Okay? And join the next class. Bye for this class. Bye. Take your bio break. Bye-bye. Finish your this work. I will keep it. I will not erase this. I will keep